Hello everybody, this is the second video in the series of the 3 months preparation kit for coding interviews by HackerRank. So today we'll be looking at the solution for the problem minimax sum. So let's begin. The problem requires us to find, now we're given an array of 5 positive integers. We have to find the 4 largest values. We have to take their sum, and we also have to find the 4 smallest values and take their sum, and then what we have to do is um, print both of them. So let us go through the example so that you'll understand it better. Now the array given to us is 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. So first what we have to do is take the smallest 4 numbers. So in this case it will be 1, 3, 5 and 7. So if you add all those 4, you get 16. So you print the first number that you print will be 16. Then what you have to do is take the largest 4 numbers. So in this case 3, 5, 7 and 9. So once you add all of those you get 24. That's going to be the second number. Now this is a fairly easy problem, and let's see how to go by doing it. So first of all, I'm going to store the value of the minimum 4 numbers, the smallest 4 numbers in the array, um, into the variable mini. So if you think about it, the smallest 4 numbers in this case, because the array is always going to be 5 digits, 5 integers, what you could do is you could take the sum of everything. Okay, we could take the sum of all the numbers in the array and subtract the largest number from it. Is that clear? You take the sum of all the numbers in the array and you subtract the largest number from it. So that will give you the sum of the smallest 4. So in this case, how do we do that? You write sum of the array minus the maximum number within the array. So that the value of the smallest 4 will be stored in minina. So the same thing we could do for the maximum sum, that's the largest 4. How do you take the sum of the largest 4? You sum up the whole array and you subtract the smallest number from it. So sum of array minus min of array. So now this is what is going to be the sum of the smallest 4, and this will store the sum of the largest 4 within the array. So we could print it like this, and that should be our answer. Let's actually run it against the example code. Let's wait for it to judge. Yeah, there you go. Both the sample test cases have passed, so I think we can submit the code now. There you go. As you can see, all the 14 test cases have passed, and this is your solution for minimax sum. Thank you.